My name is Lucy. Welcome to my The Story English official channel today. I will help you learn English in a very simple and easy way. Do not worry about grammar. Do not worry about mistakes. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. This story is for beginners. This story is slow and clear. Let us start. One day, Lucy was sitting near the window. She was holding a book in her hand. Outside, the weather was calm. Birds were singing softly. Lucy looked outside and smiled. She thought, today is a good day to learn something new. Lucy decided to go for a walk. She wore her blue jacket and picked up her notebook. She liked to write new English words. While walking, Lucy saw a small park. In the park, a young boy was sitting alone. He looked sad. Lucy stopped. She wanted to help. She went closer and said, "Hello, how are you?" The boy looked up. He said slowly, "I am not fine." Lucy sat near him. She said kindly, "Do not worry. Please tell me your problem." The boy took a deep breath. He said, "I want to learn English, but I feel scared." Lucy smiled gently. She said, "Learning English is easy. You just need time and patience." The boy asked, "Really?" Lucy nodded. She said, "Yes. I also learned English slowly." Lucy opened her notebook. She showed simple words. She said, "Start with small words." She pointed and read slowly. Book, pen, water, friend. The boy repeated the words. His voice was weak, but he was trying. Lucy said, "Good job. You are doing very well." The boy smiled for the first time. Lucy continued, "Do not be afraid of mistakes." She said, "Mistakes help us learn." Lucy and the boy walked together. They talked slowly in English. Lucy asked, "What is your name?" The boy answered, "My name is Sam." Lucy said, "Nice to meet you, Sam." Sam replied, "Nice to meet you too, Lucy." Lucy taught him simple sentences. She said slowly, "I am happy. I am learning English. I like English." Sam repeated every sentence. His confidence was growing. Lucy said, "Practice every day." She said, "Listen, speak, and repeat." Sam nodded. He said, "Thank you, Lucy." Lucy smiled warmly. She felt happy inside. Helping others made her heart calm. Before leaving, Lucy gave Sam one advice. She said, "Never stop learning." She said, "Even small steps are important." Sam promised, "I will practice every day." Lucy waved goodbye. She walked back home slowly. The sun was setting. Lucy felt peaceful. She opened her notebook again. She wrote one sentence, "Learning never ends." Dear listener, you can learn English. You are capable. Listen daily. Repeat slowly. Do not quit. This is Lucy. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.